Hey guys, we received this daily extra large moving bags for test and try. So it's a 4 pack heavy duty totes. Can be used for storage. It have a visible window and the wrap around handles. It is like a storage bags can be used for moving for your storage of the house stuff or anything else. Let me just open it and see. So there is a pack of four and I will try to describe one. Um, So this looks, you can see the material, it's like heavy waterproof material here. And then the handles also goes from the wrapping side, means like it's much more solid handle. Like if you put some weight and can easily handle. It's just not on the top, but it's a wrap around, means the whole handle goes from the top to the below of the bag, as you can see it here. So this will hold much better and much more solid handles compared to others. Have this window just to see the stuff, what's inside. So let me just put in some stuff and see. So you can see you can store a lot of stuff in here. I have a label that you can put in what's inside and the window will help you to see. You can just put a lot of stuff, still there is space. So let me see, like I can put a lot of things here and then just close. So I have a nice zipper, nice quality zipper, and then after the zip you can see what's inside and also can easily handle or carry with these wraparound handles. So it's a good three layers design with a nice waterproof, the boxes or the storage thing that you can use and take anywhere. So it's nice flip design as well with good protection from the weather and other stuff. So hope this is very useful, and as I say, you can use it for multiple purposes, for toys, books, bedding, shoes, or anywhere anything you want. Can total have 100-liter space with a side handle as well. So pretty a nice thing or the nice bag with everything here, and then a nice